all doing? Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and press the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to see it. If you are the returning subscriber, thank you and God bless you. I so much appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. If you have not yet subscribed, please do. What are you waiting for? It's not costing any money. Press the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. In today's video, as you can see it here, I'm going to make ogbono soup. You can see the ingredients here. So I have to show you now one by one. I just want to make a short video and I want to make just a little soup, ogbono soup. So now those are the ingredients. Here are ishaki, and I have a macro fish, and I have beef here. Here I have crayfish. I ground it already. Here is pepper. I don't need so much pepper because if not, my kids will not eat it. So I just put a little pepper. So here our ogbono soup is already blended already. Here are my spinach. I have rosemary here. Here I'm Maggi. I have to use 1 cube of Maggi. Here the same. This is Maggi. This is the liquid one. Here salt, and I have oil here. Wow! Some of you will ask, why is she making ogbono soup again? She have ogbono soup already in her video. Well, so this ogbono soup is a different one, you know. It's another method I'm using to make this now. We use another method to make this ogbono soup. If you don't want to know how I make this ogbono soup, please stay tuned and watch to the end. Okay, now I have to put the meat, the beef in the pot because my pot is already here in the fire. So now I have to put the meat inside here. Okay. Okay, now I will put 1 cube of Maggi. You see, this is crayfish Maggi. Then I will add a little bit of rosemary. I will add a teaspoon of salt. See you guys later. I have to cover it now. I will turn it a little bit. So I have to cover it up. See you guys later. Okay guys, as you can see, now I have to put, you see the ogbono soup here. The ogbono is here already. I have to be melting it now. I just put it here. So now I will add a little oil. I'm using another method to make this because last video I make for my ogbono soup, so I melt it in the pot. So now I will be melting this one with this rubber, and I will put it inside here with the water inside the meat. So it's going to be melting like this, as you can see. Yes, you can use any method of your choice. You know, you can put it in the pot to melt. You can do it as well like I'm doing now. Any way you prefer it. You can use any method of your choice. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, as you can see, now I will be adding the ogbono inside. Just want to turn it a little bit before I add the ogbono.